Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Nadula Hair. Big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So this is the package that it came in along with the free gifts. Everything will be linked down below. Today we are featuring their EasiContour V-part wig. This is a kinky curly wig with layered coily curls. She's 24 inches, 150 density. This does have the upgraded drawstring inside, which makes for a better fit. These have safe clips inside, which are safer on your hair and scalp, along with a breathable cap to allow air to the scalp. And there's the non-slip band around the inside of the cap. This wig is made to fit perfectly. No more bulky V parts that don't fit. I love that they started to include these drawstrings inside of the V parts because for the longest, a lot of people's issue with the V part and the U parts was that they were too big. So with this new fit, it is perfect. So here, this is just something that I have started to do with curly hair. I like to comb the hair out while it is dry and get it nice, big, and fluffy before I start to add water and products. This is a kinky curly texture, so it's gonna get very, very big once I comb these out. And I did not clip the wig down until I was finished combing it out because I didn't want to have too much tension on my hair. So here I'm just using a wide tooth comb and combing the curls out. Now that I'm finished combing it out, I'm going to go ahead and clip the wig down. They kind of remind me of clip-in clips, so I do like that. I did leave very little of my edges out, but you won't really be able to see that. So once I clip this down, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair off. This will be a middle part, of course, to mimic the construction of this wig. And then I'm going to go in with my spray bottle, which is literally just water, and we're going to start to wet this hair down. So my natural hair, I don't think I blow dried. Yes, I did. I blow dried my hair, but I haven't flat ironed my hair. So it is pretty much stretched. I think it was done like this for a braided style. So these are all the products that I will be using, and I'm going to use them in order from water to Mayel to Eco Styler. And yeah, I use a Demon brush to comb everything out, but here I'm just going to wet the hair down and run my fingers through it. I don't want to drench the hair, but I do want to get it really wet because I want the curls to pop and I want to blend my hair in with this curl pattern. So I'm just going to wet everything down and then brush it out.
Bless me with a look when you pass me. Know the same look when we get nasty. Don't think you wanna put nothing past me. Miss you since you came over last week. You fucking with my mental.
So now I'm just brushing everything through, and this is when you really start to see these curls pop. I really do love the kinky curly curl pattern. It is very pretty. It is a realistic look. You could honestly stop here if you want. It all depends on how you like to wear your hair. You could brush everything through and just let it air dry. You can use a diffuser, but I like to take that extra step in adding products. So what I did to this side, I'm just going to repeat on the other side.
Doing your vibe. bet you really wanna.
So here I'm going to use my Mayel curl custard. I love this stuff. The last time I did a V part, I added this product to my natural hair and not the actual wig. And I didn't really like the way that came out because I felt like you could see the difference in the products that I used. So I decided to use this in my hair as well as the wig, although this is pretty expensive and it kind of hurt me to do that. But for the best results, we did what we had to do. So after running that through the hair, I will brush that through. And like I said, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side.
Nobody knows, nobody knows, nobody knows where you out. I see you out way. Nobody knows what we do. Nobody knows, nobody knows.
So you see how that's looking one side compared to the other. So I'm just going to clip that out the way with a no bend hair clip, and we're going to spray this down, brush it through, and then add our Mayel curl custard. So once again, everything that I use in this video will be linked down in the description box in case you are interested. Most of my links are from Amazon, but you can find a lot of these products anywhere. You can find them at Walmart, Target, the beauty supply, but I'm an Amazon girl. To be honest, I stay away from the beauty supply because that's a bad place for me. Yeah, it's not a good idea for me to go in there, especially with cash. So I'm better off on Amazon, where I just add what I need to the cart, because them impulse buys in the beauty supply, baby, stop. So yeah, everything will be linked down below in case you are interested. And I love the way this is looking. This is coming together so well. And I love the blend that I'm getting with my natural hair and this wig. I wore this out because, you know, I had an appointment to go to, and I wore this out, and I don't feel like it was ever second guessed. It was never second guessed that this was a wig. So I love that. Also, as I stated before, you can diffuse this if you want a really, really big look. But I like it on the tame side, and I like to just let it air dry slow, and then you can tease it and fluff it as you prefer. So this is what she looks like. I'm just gonna do my edges. I'm not really doing my edges for like style, just in case it blows. It's, you know, it's decent under there. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. She's still wet here, but she is drying. But I love, love, love the way this turned out. It's so cute. It's giving wash and go, and it's drying from a fresh wash and go. So I'm going to show you a quick little style. You know, I love me a claw clip with the 2 pieces, little split bang in the front. So we're going to pull these 2 pieces out, and I'm going to clip it up and left up, half down. And that, I think this is my favorite. This is so cute, and it looks so natural. You cannot tell me this is not my hair, especially when it's like fully dried. It's giving real, okay? What? Wash and go. Stop playing with her natural gear. What? It never gave a wig, ever. All the links will be down below. Shout out to Nadula here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.